with Rose Emily. I hope all of you guys are doing super good today and ready to make another easy family recipe. I'm going to be sharing with you how to make delicious and easy fried chicken hearts. Now, if you never tasted chicken hearts before, this is the recipe to make. And if you have made it before but maybe not fried, well, you have to try it fried. It's so good. It literally tastes like chicken tenders or popcorn chicken, sort of like in that route, and it's so delicious. I served it with white rice and stewed black beans, but you can literally serve it with tostones or french fries or whatever you want. Are you ready to make this delicious fried chicken hearts? Okay guys, we're gonna need 2 separate bowls. On my first bowl, we're gonna add the wet ingredients, which are 2 whole eggs and 2 tablespoons of whole milk. And now using a fork, we're gonna whisk very well, mix well. And now we're going to set this aside and grab another bowl with the dry ingredients. So we're going to be adding 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, half a tablespoon of dried oregano, 1 teaspoon of dried parsley, half a teaspoon of ground black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of Peruvian tuco, which is a seasoning similar to paprika. So if you have sweet paprika powder, you can add that. And last but not least, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of salt. Mix well. Set this aside. And now these are my chicken hearts. I have here about 1.5 pounds of chicken hearts. I just made a slit in the middle. I didn't really cut it all the way through. As you can see, I already cleaned it with vinegar and water, so they're nice and clean. And now we are ready to drench the chicken hearts into the eggs and then into the flour mixture. And you want to do this step by step, like adding half of the mixture first and then the other half, so you can coat them very nicely. Once we have them in the egg mixture, we're going to add it to the flour, making sure that each of the sides of the chicken hearts is covered with the flour, because the flour is what's going to make the chicken hearts nice and crunchy. That looks like a chicken nugget, right? But chicken heart nuggets. Here you go. As you can see, I'm making sure everything is nicely covered in the flour. And now I'm just putting it on my plate. And again, I'm going to continue these steps until I don't have any more chicken hearts to make. After the steps, we are ready to fry our chicken hearts. Okay, at medium-high heat, we are frying and adding our chicken hearts to the pan. I have here about 1.5 cups of olive oil, just enough to cover half of the chicken hearts so they can become nice and crispy on the bottom side. And then we're going to flip it over to the other side. So we're going to be frying this for about 2 to 3 minutes on one side and then 2 to 3 minutes on the other side. Okay, now we are ready to flip them over. Look how delicious they look when you flip them over. Nice and crunchy. You have to try this. I actually told my kids that these are chicken nuggets instead of chicken hearts. And then I told them at the end. And they were surprised that they actually enjoyed it. Okay, so let's continue to cook this for 2 to 3 minutes at medium-high heat. And after that, we are ready to put aside on a plate on top of a paper towel. That way it can absorb some of the oil that it has. But look at the color. Look at this delicious chicken heart recipe. It's like chicharrón, you know, like chicken nuggets. All you have to do after they are done is just add a little bit of lime juice or lemon juice. And that's it. I also add a little bit of dried parsley on top, but look how delicious. I hope you guys enjoyed this fried chicken heart recipe with your entire family.